Okay, this is the book, Polytunnel book, the best Polytunnel book in English language so far. And I had this book. I used to give a lot of stuff to charity, and I gave a lot of my gardening books also to charity. But now I have my second Polytunnel, and I really miss this book, so I had to buy it. Nobody gave me a charity for that. Anyway, nobody gives that away. So, second hand but like new. Polytunnel book by Joyce Russell. Photographed by Ben Russell. And this is so far it's the ultimate book about the polytunnels, unless Charles Dowding writes his book about it. Two 2011. Amazing book. Best polytunnel book by Taylor and Francis. And month by month it says how you can have best use ever from your polytunnel. Polytunnel, like greenhouses, are quite valuable areas of your garden, because this is where you have protection from the wind and extra heat, which helps the germination of the seeds. And so what you grow there has really a good value, high value crops like tomato, for example, or aubergine or pepper, and salad greens, beans, such things. And yeah, this book is new. Even it has the smell of the new book. It's amazing. I will have a thorough review of this. I wish I had some of the other books I gave to charity. Now I have to buy them one by one. But this one is already, I have it. That's the price in 2011 in the UK and the US. £19 in the UK and £25 in the US. $25 in the US. Price, of course, of the 2011.